Hello everybody! Because the Vortex coils and items that can be made with them are a very hot topic on YouTube, I have decided to make some short tutorials to show you my own versions of the flower models that can be made with vortexes. I have here two 38 cm strips glued together that I am twisting a little with my quilling needle and then that I am rolling into a tight coil. When the coil is ready, pay attention, we do not glue the end, but instead we are squeezing and pinching it on both ends as hard as we can. I am then using my shape board, putting the coil into one of the circles that is a little bigger than it, and then letting it loose. It will start loosening up by itself up to a certain point, and then, while keeping it in place with my finger, I unroll all of it using the tweezers. I then remove it carefully and I glue the end. As you can see, there is a nice shape created, a twisted one, that is actually one of the base vortex coils. If you want to see more models, you can click on the card from the screen that will take you to the specific video. Now I will pinch my vortex a little at one of the three corners in order to make some sort of teardrop. Don't pinch it too much because we don't want to lose its twisted shape. For more contrast, I will surround it with a different color strip of paper, a turquoise one, but you can choose another color or even none at all. Be careful along the way, because the shape is fragile, so try not to squeeze it too much or to press on it harder than you need to. Another 4 previously made petals, and we made a cute vortex flower. I will glue them together, trying to keep a round and symmetrical design. It will need something to cover the middle point, so I will add a small tight coil to it, rolling a green 3 mm strip of paper and gluing it on top. And that is all. This is a different kind of flower, pretty easy to make, but which has a nice and unique petal shape. If you like it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I promise you I will come back soon with other vortex flower models because there are a few more different ways to do them. They will definitely add a touch of class to your quilling projects, so you should really try and make them, especially since they are very easy to do. That being said, there is one thing you really need to pay attention to, namely to make sure you handle them with care, otherwise the vortex shape might be ruined. But I already know you'll be careful, and I'm sure you will come up with beautiful shapes. See you next time with another DIY tutorial. Take care!